Hey kids, let's learn names of animals and their young ones. Cow, calf, duck, duckling, lion, cub, frog, tadpole, pig, piglet, horse, foal, dog, puppy, cat, kitten, swan, cygnet, butterfly, caterpillar, peacock, peachick, elephant, calf, bear, cub, deer, fawn, hen, chick, sheep, lamb, zebra, foal, snake, snakelet, ant, lava, camel, calf, turtle, hatchling, gorilla, infant, kangaroo. Joey, good job kids. See you soon.